Now you have to choose between infinite solutions or no solution. Okay, I don't know, something paused there for a second. Sorry for that delay. But when it's true, it's infinite solutions. Okay, so be careful which one you choose. This is when it's true, and this is when it's false. And since negative 6 truly does equal negative 6, C is the answer. So I'm going to go over here. Number 2 is C. Okay. Number 3. Oh, man. Okay, some work here. And I see a decimal. That's fine. So let's change 1/2 into a decimal. Remember how you do that? Divide it by divide. So 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. So let's change this to a 0.5 and distribute that. Okay? So 0.5 times 4. 0.5 times 4 is 2. And then don't forget your x. Now take 0.5 times 6, and you get 3. So it's plus 3 equals negative 5x plus 24.7. So I'm going to box and circle, box and circle. Anytime you have a box on both sides, let's take care of that first. In other words, let's get the x's together. I'm going to get rid of this x by doing eliminating it by adding 5x. Adding 5x. Okay? So then 2x, I'm going to have to kind of go on this side. 2x plus 5x is 7x. Bring down the plus 3 equals. All right, so these two together got added. And then you still have the plus 3, so I brought that plus 3 here. And then this eliminated, but there was still a 24.7 left. Okay? So now if you box this, circle, and then circle, now you have the box on one side, but now I have a circle next to it. I need to get rid of it and put it over here, but you have to eliminate it. So whatever you do to one side, you do to the other side. 7x equals 24.7 minus 3. 24.7 minus 3. 21.7. Now you got to divide, divide. So x equals 21.7 divided by 7 is 3.1. So the answer is A. Okay? Again, anytime I'm going too fast or you're like, okay, this is kind of messy, then you can always get a nice clean sheet of paper and do it on a separate sheet of paper and try it on your own and see if you can still get the same answer without my help. The video is great, and it's good for you to listen and do with me and see it as you're doing it, but also go one step further and try to do it on your own. So what was the answer to that? That was A. So we're going to go over here, and the answer is A. All right? So number 4. Number 4, a student worked the following equation showing his steps. In which step did he make a mistake? Okay, so we have this equation. First, you should all distribute always. So 5 times this 1x is 5x. That worked. 5 times this negative 3 is negative 15. Bring down the minus, bring down the 2x. Everything looks good here. Just rewrite, rewrite, rewrite. Okay, cool. And now this is a box, a circle, a box, because the boxes have the x's in them. The circles have just the number with their signs. And then so this should go together. So 5x minus 2x is truly 3x, or 5x plus the negative 2x is negative 3x. Nothing happened with the negative 15, so that's good. And then you just bring down these numbers, we're still good. Now if I box this and circle this, because x goes with the box, and then circle. Let's see what happened here. Oh, this became negative 2x, so you know what it looks like? Maybe this student decided to subtract 5x on both sides, which is cool, because you don't see the x on this side anymore. So if you do 3x minus 5x, you get negative 2x. And looks like they also maybe added 15 to both sides. Okay? So then negative 11 plus 15 is 4. Now, crucial step here, what do we divide by? A lot of you guys don't remember to divide by the same sign. Wait, looks like you made no error at all. So let's see, divide, divide, there's a 1. 4 divided by negative 2 is negative 2. So I don't think there's an error. Let me double check though. 5 times x, yep. 5 times negative 3, yep. Minus, okay, cool, cool, cool. Combine this, and that's a positive 3x. Okay, great, great, great. I subtracted 5x on both sides, which would give me a negative 2x, which means the student would have done it right if we did it the same way. I add 15 here, I add 15 here, that's a positive 4. Divide by negative 2, divide, wow. So this is one of those where he made no error, okay? Let me check my answer key real quick, because I'm just doing this with you guys. I'm going to pull it up. And the answer for number 4 truly is D. All right, so sometimes that happens. There is truly no error. But like I said, in class, I should see work. I should see work. If you would prefer to do on a separate sheet of paper, that's a beautiful thing. Go ahead and do it. But make sure that you do as much as you can on your own and then come back and check the video. All right, so that's it, and that is the end of the video. Remember our Georgia milestone, okay? I can write it at the front of this. April 29th and 30th. Okay, so let's get ready. It's just in a week, in about 9 days. So use this, do as much of this packet as you can. And I will be sending more videos. So if you just do what you can, and then you can always come and check. All right, guys, this is the end of the video.